Production faster than anything ever ramped up before in history. Even if we ignore vehicle quality for a moment and focus only on how fast cars are being built, Tesla stands in a league of its own. Time and again, the company sets new production records, only to break them again in a surprisingly short span of time. Tesla does not simply improve its factories once and move on. Every production line is constantly refined, optimized, and simplified until there is almost no wasted movement left. Elon Musk has openly said that Tesla could eventually build a standard Model Y in just 5 seconds. He once explained that he believes Tesla will ultimately be able to produce a full car in less than 5 seconds. Just imagine that for a moment. A brand new car rolling off a factory line in under 5 seconds. That idea alone sounds almost unreal. However, Tesla has now gone even further. The company has once again shattered its own record. At present, Tesla has developed a new production line capable of completing a full vehicle in just 4.5 seconds. That is half a second faster than the previous record, and at this speed, the process becomes so fast that the human eye can barely follow it. It feels almost like watching a lightning strike. You cannot even safely stand close to it. In fact, the production line moves so quickly that people are not allowed near it while it is operating. When you see it in action, you find yourself asking the same question again and again. What just happened? How did a fully built car appear that fast? And even more importantly, how did Tesla manage to build a system capable of operating at such extreme speed? This is what you need to understand about Elon Musk's latest production technology. It does not simply improve traditional car manufacturing. It completely destroys the old rules. Tesla competitors may need more than a decade to build anything even remotely comparable. So stay with us, because once you understand this system, you may not stop staring in disbelief. Elon Musk himself has described this as the fastest production ramp of any large and complex manufactured product ever achieved. Now let us pause for a second and truly understand how significant that 4.5-second figure really is. A fully automatic espresso machine usually takes between 30 and 60 seconds to prepare a single cup of coffee. That means while you are waiting for your coffee to finish brewing, at least 6 fully built Tesla vehicles have already rolled off the production line. And those vehicles are expected to be the Tesla Model 2, Tesla's most affordable car ever, scheduled to debut early next year. Production volume is rumored to be roughly double that of the Model Y, with an estimated price range between $20,000 and $30,000. Elon Musk has even suggested that the cost of production could be close to $20,000, which would make this vehicle truly affordable for a massive global audience. Before we go deeper, if you enjoy deep dives like this and want more future-focused Tesla stories, take 1 second to subscribe now so you never miss what comes next. Now let us continue. This affordable Tesla model is expected to sell extremely fast. And whenever a new car is announced, people usually focus on things like design, driving range, or interior features. But have you ever stopped to think about where these cars are actually built and how they are produced? Most people do not. But when a car is being built in just 4.5 seconds, it becomes impossible not to wonder. Is this level of speed affecting quality? Especially when this is a budget-friendly vehicle, producing it this fast naturally raises concerns and skepticism. At the moment, Tesla operates 5 major factories around the world that are directly involved in vehicle production. In Europe, Gigafactory Berlin in Brandenburg, Germany focuses on producing the Model Y for the European market. In China, Gigafactory Shanghai plays a critical role in building the Model 3 and Model Y for Asia and currently holds the highest production capacity in Tesla's entire global network. In the United States, the Fremont factory produces the full lineup, including Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. Meanwhile, Giga Nevada is responsible for producing the Tesla Semi, a Class 8 electric truck. This is one of the most difficult vehicles Tesla builds due to its massive size and far more complex manufacturing demands. Even so, Tesla remains confident it can eventually reach an annual output of 50,000 units. Then there is Gigafactory Texas in Austin, the true star of today's story. This factory is currently producing the Cybertruck and the Cybercab and is expected to become the primary production hub for the upcoming Tesla Model 2, which is set to launch next year. Inside Giga Texas, you will notice something unusual. There are very few humans working close to the production line. That is because most of the work is handled by robotic arms, enormous giga casting machines, and fully automated systems. These machines operate almost entirely on their own, running around the clock with minimal interruptions. It is not an exaggeration to say that the production line at Giga Texas looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Cars are assembled with a speed and precision that feels unreal. Each vehicle moves through the line almost the way toy cars are made, except this is happening at full scale with real materials and real engineering. The speed is so extreme that at first glance it feels artificial, but everything you see is very real. So what makes this possible? To build a Model 2 in under 5 seconds, what is the most critical part of the production line? The answer is the body structure and chassis. This has always been the most complex and time-consuming stage of car manufacturing. In the past, Tesla relied on massive stamping presses where flat aluminum sheets were pressed into shape using heavy dies. That process is now becoming history. Tesla has replaced it with something entirely different. This is what many engineers consider the most powerful element of Tesla's production system, the Giga Press. Elon Musk once described it as a matchbox car machine scaled up to real life. And that description is surprisingly accurate. The Giga Press is not just another factory tool. It represents a complete shift in how cars are built. Instead of assembling a vehicle frame from dozens or even hundreds of small metal pieces, Tesla now casts huge sections of the car in a single operation. The result is an engineering giant. A high-pressure die casting machine capable of delivering up to 50,000 tons of clamping force. This machine is powerful enough to form the entire rear underbody of a vehicle in just a few seconds. What makes the Giga Press truly revolutionary is how it breaks traditional manufacturing logic. In the past, the rear body of a Model Y was assembled from roughly 70 separate parts, requiring hundreds of welds and a complex network of robots just to connect everything. By switching to a large Giga Press system, Tesla replaced those dozens of parts with only a few massive castings and a structural battery pack. This change alone reduced manufacturing costs by nearly 40%. For the upcoming Model 2, Tesla is pushing this idea even further. The vehicle is expected to be smaller than the Model 3, with very short front and rear overhangs and minimal traditional trunk space. This makes it an ideal candidate for even more advanced casting. However, the previous 6,000-ton press used for the Model Y is not strong enough to cast the entire chassis in one piece. So Tesla moved to an even larger next-generation Giga Press. This new system is capable of casting the entire vehicle chassis in a single operation, and it can even produce multiple complete chassis units in one cycle. By doing this, Tesla eliminates more than 400 welds and removes hundreds of robots from the production line. Fewer robots mean fewer breakdowns, less maintenance, and far lower operating costs. Inside Giga Texas, the casting process happens at breathtaking speed. Molten aluminum is poured into the mold, pressed into shape in just a couple of seconds, then extracted by robotic arms. The casting is quickly cooled in a water bath at around 50 degrees Celsius before moving directly into the assembly line. There is almost no downtime at all. This approach also reduces vehicle weight, which is critical for electric vehicles. Batteries already add significant mass, so any weight savings improve efficiency, driving range, and handling. Fewer joints also create a stronger and more rigid structure. Compared to traditional stamping and welding processes that take several minutes, casting a chassis in seconds represents a massive leap forward. Once the castings move into final assembly, the production line becomes a perfectly synchronized mechanical dance. Robotic arms lift, join, paint, and finish each vehicle without hesitation. The car body flows smoothly from one station to the next until the full shape comes together with remarkable consistency. The vehicle then enters the paint shop. First, a primer layer is applied. The surface is sanded smooth, then multiple layers of paint and a protective clear coat are added. White paint is the simplest and least expensive option, while red requires additional layers and metallic particles, making it more complex and costly. After painting, the vehicle moves into interior assembly. Panels are installed, electronics are connected, and glass is fitted. At the same time, a separate line assembles the chassis and powertrain. Everything begins with the structural battery pack, which serves as a load-bearing component. Large castings are attached to the front and rear, followed by motors, suspension, brakes, and wheels. At this point, the vehicle can already move on its own. In the final stage, the body and underbody are joined in a process known as the marriage. Precision is critical here. Once secured, the vehicle becomes a single rigid structure. Final inspections follow, checking every mechanical, electrical, and software system. This is how Tesla achieves a production speed of one vehicle every 4.5 seconds. And beyond the manufacturing process, leaked information suggests the Model 2 will be a compact urban hatchback with a minimalist design. The interior removes many premium features, but retains Tesla's core technology, including full self-driving hardware. The driving range is rumored to be around 300 miles with a battery capacity just over 50 kilowatt-hours, thanks to low weight and high efficiency. While none of this has been officially confirmed, if accurate, the Model 2 could reshape the global electric vehicle market. So what do you think? Is this the future of car manufacturing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.